Hi, I'm Power Monkey, and in this tutorial video I'm going to be teaching you about relational operators. Okay, so relational operators essentially just return Boolean values, and Booleans are either true or false. So if we look into the first relational operator, which is the equal to operator, which is just two equal signs right next to each other like that. So essentially what this is saying is x plus y equals z, which basically just means is x plus y equal to z, and then that will return true or false. So that's essentially what this is doing right here. So let me just give you a quick little example. So let's do local bool equals 8 plus 8 is equal to 2. So if we do print bool like this, this would print false in the output because 8 plus 8 does not equal to 2. So let me do you another example where this time it's true. So if we do bool equals 6 multiplied by 5 equals 30, like that. And if we print bool now, then this would print true because 6 multiplied by 5 is 30. If we move on to the next relational operator, which is the not equal to, so you just do this little squiggly line right here and an equal sign. So for me on Mac, to get this little squiggly line, I do Alt N. So what this is saying essentially is x plus y not equal to z, which basically just says is x plus y not equal to z, like that, and that will again return true or false. Okay, so if we do bool equals 8 plus 8 doesn't equal 2, and then we do print bool, then this would print true because 8 plus 8 is not equal to 2, so that is true. So let me give you the other example, and we'll do the same as here, so 6 multiplied by 5, but this time not equal to 30, and then we print bool. This will print false. Okay, so let's move on to the next relational operator. So let's do less than. So this is essentially doing x less than y, which is basically just is x less than y, and then that will just return true or false. So let's just do a quick little example. So bool equals 10 less than 10, and if we print bool, that will print false. Let's do another example. So if bool equals 58 less than 43, and then we print bool, that will print false again because 58 is less than 43 and 10 is not less than 10 because 10 is 10. So bool, last example where it's true this time. So bool equals 18 less than 64, and we print bool, and because this time here the number is smaller, so 18 is smaller than 64, so 18 is less than 64, so that is true. So let's move on to the greater than sign, which is this one. So this one, if you think about it, is kind of like less than is like the L. So if you can kind of see, this is an L, so that's how you can remember it if you don't remember them. So x greater than y, this is basically just saying is x greater than y, and once again return true or false. So let's just do let's just copy and paste this, use the same examples, but just change this less than symbol for the greater than, like that. So this is still false because 10 is not greater than 10. But is 58 greater than 43? Yes, it is. Is 18 greater than 64? No, it's not. So that will print false. Now let's move on to the last relational operators, which is just the less than or equal to, which is just less, is the less than symbol, and then the equal sign. So what this is saying is basically, so x less than or equal to y. So is x less than or equal to y, and that will again return true or false. So if I do you the examples, so let's just take this again and paste that here, and then we do the so less than or equal to. So is 10 less than or equal to 10? Yes, that is true because 10 is equal to, it's not less than 10, but it is equal to 10. So that is true. Is 58 less than or equal to 43? No, because 58 is greater than 43 and it's not equal to 58. So that is still false. Is 18 less than or equal to 64? That is true because it's less than 64. So that is true. So the last one is greater than or equal to, which is just the greater than sign and then the equal sign. So this is basically just doing x is greater than or equal to y, which is x greater than or equal to y, and that will again, once again, return true or false. So let's paste these examples again. So greater than or equal to, really quickly, like this, there we go, is 10 greater than or equal to 10? That is true, 10 is equal to 10. Is 58 greater than or equal to 43? That is true because 58 is bigger than 43. Is 18 greater than or equal to 64? That is false because 64 is bigger than 18. So those were the relational operators. So I hope that you understand what relational operators are, and if you like this video, please make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!